John no star. Check for this girl, you know. John no.
I am so hungry today. I'm so mad, so pissed. These artists nowadays, you rent them your place. And you mean to tell me they don't want to pay their rent? They prefer to use their money and woman, oh? But let me see how many months this one, but his name is Ethic Boss, living in my house without paying his rent. 1 or 6 months rent he owe. I'm going to him, oh. He didn't know that I have everything recorded. Hey, I'm tired of him, oh. In my place, and he don't want to pay his rent. But yesterday, I know he bringing some woman in my place. He have another guest coming. I'm going there to see him, oh. Laying down in that house. I'm going to dig him out of it. Don't want to pay me my money. You will see something. Hectic Boss! You come out here to me. Hectic Boss! I know you're in there, oh. You hear me? Open the door. Hectic! You talk about you are an artist, eh? And you can't pay me my rent. Come out here to me, oh. You hear me? You come out here to me. You think I don't know you're in there with some woman? If I ever catch any woman in my house, you will see. You didn't tell me you were renting this place for you and a woman, oh. Come out here to me, oh. I said to open the door. You know you're getting me very angry out here, oh.
What? Sure.
Hectic?
Who that?
Open the door. I bet you don't have any woman in there. Don't let me come in there and see a woman.
There, man. Can't take her, you know.
Hectic Boss. He's getting on top of my last nerve. Hectic Boss.
Oh, you coming?
Didn't you hear me calling you outside, oh?
Does a come off for one stage show, you know, miss?
I don't care.
What is
Get
that?
up.
What is for now?
Get up. Where is my 6 months rent? Huh? I need my money, oh.
Does a come off for one stage show, you
I
run away?
don't care. Yes, you're gonna run away. Get up and give me my money. I need my money.
Yeah, but you know me, so you're coming here with this bag of loud noises and place, you know.
Who care about you and your headache?
You can load up my mouth in a statue, you know.
You can die if you want. Give me my money. I care about headache. Leave me alone. Who you have in here with you? Who you have hiding in my house? Did you tell me you bringing any? Who you hiding? Huh? Who you hiding?
Oh, that, you know.
This don't even look like the 6 months. How much money is in this? Huh?
This month rent, I'm going to put little extra on it. Last month rent, we'll give that later.
Oh, so...
You just come in and hear the noise what you're making a me and
sorry,
have a headache.
I'm sorry, you have a headache. Oh my
Just
God.
come off a stage show, you know.
I'm sorry.
Listen,
Sorry. Can I sit on your bed?
You're not supposed to accompany the bed like that, miss.
You said you have a headache. Do you have a... You don't want your mother to touch you. I'm just feeling to see if you have a fever. You give me the money. Why are you looking like that? You don't like your mother. Why you looking at me like that? You know
You're beating the door. At this place you walk here down and make the neighbor them hear.
I'm sorry, oh. You know I didn't mean...
A whole heap of people are listening out there, so now you know. What you want to say? Artists not pay rent and something, and you know you get your rent.
I'm sorry.
Probably not there on time to pay the rent, but you know say you get your rent.
I know that. You know...
So when you come here with your big old loud mouth out the door for people hear.
You know, I didn't really come for the rental. I come to see if you were okay. You forgive me.
When you come here to say me okay.
So what kind of shirt this you are in? Why you dress so sexy?
What you do? You can't do that, miss.
Why?
You can't do that. I have my wife, you know.
Do I care if you have a wife?
I have my wife. What kind of thing?
Where is she if you have a wife? Where's your wife? Where's your wife?
I leave her back home and see a stage show.
That means she must stay there. Now you are here with me in my house. You are one of my
Alright, me up here. This is not fear house. Alright, me up here. Until the day me leave out here, so. A fear house. But me up pay my money. You're not supposed to barge in my place, so.
So do you... I'm sorry about that, but do you have to wear this kind of shirt?
Miss,
this kind of
you
shirt
can't do that.
I like
me and them type of man there, you know.
What do you mean?
Me respect my wife.
So can I say something? Do you have to dress so sexy if you're sleeping? I'm just
But
curious.
I'm alone there, hear me. That's not your concern.
Can I say something to you? I think you know, when I was at home, I dream about you. So I said, I'm coming to see if you are okay.
Miss, listen.
And
Miss.
you know, I have a secret I want to tell you. You know, I was coming in because I like you. You don't like me?
No. I'm not that type of guy. I love my wife and I respect my wife.
So because you love your wife, I can't love you?
No.
So
listen, me, you get your money, so listen, me, miss.
So I'm just fixing myself to come off your bed. By right, I shouldn't be on your bed. I shouldn't be on your bed.
Listen, me now.
I shouldn't
Hello.
be on it.
Miss, you know, support, miss. Hello, listen, me now.
I shouldn't be
miss.
on your bed. Why are you doing
Stop
this?
that now.
Nobody know what is happening in here.
What I am
it's
saying.
Closed door.
Yeah, listen what I am saying. Listen, me now, miss.
What?
I'm not
What?
that type of guy.
I don't care.
I have my wife back home.
I don't care. I want to love you. I want to. Why are you pushing me away? Eh? If you love
Miss,
me
I'll
back,
give you your
I'll
money,
give you
miss.
back some of the money if you love
Listen,
me back.
keep the money.
I
We
don't
never
have a
bargain for
husband.
this. I rent a house and I don't expect this from you.
I don't have a husband. You can't be my man for the time when you are in my house.
No. Miss, stop that now.
Okay.
Stop that. Please.
All right.
Stop
so
that.
you want me to go?
You need to go.
And you don't look like you want me to leave, you know. You
Miss,
look
you
like...
need to go, miss.
You know what? What you doing? Playing hard to get? You're playing hard to get. You know what? I have some foreigners
Miss,
coming. I'm
respect
giving
my
you...
wife.
Listen to me. I am serious now. Put away every childish talk. 2 months, 2 weeks. You got to get somewhere to go. I have some foreigners coming. You hear me? And
So
by the
you
way,
have foreigner come now.
I'm giving you notice. You know why? Since as you don't want me, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Don't friend me up. You already...
Miss, you can't be my mother. Listen me. You can't be my mother. Right?
Ha. Do I care? Well, you said you don't want me. So here, 2 weeks notice, you got to go. And I will
Me
send
not
my
left out of
daughter...
this place, yeah.
You're a bad man.
You hear me say? Me not left out of this.
I'm sending my daughter for the next rent. How long, what time should she come back for the month? For the rent?
In the next half an hour, you can send her fee money.
Okay, well listen to me. You
Come on,
got to leave my house.
Come out of my place, man.
You hear me? 2 weeks and you're out of here. If you want somewhere to live, you would have sleep with me. But you don't want to do it. Get out of my house, ethic boss.
Come out of the place and see me
Ethic
try
boss,
to get
come
some
out.
rest.
I don't want you in here.
Oh, you really want me to cheat on my wife?
That's what I want you to
Me
do.
not cheat on my wife.
That's
Come out
what
of my...
you should do.
You get your money and you leave now.
You have to come out in 2 weeks. On the dot. Not even a run over. You hear me? And I'm sending my daughter down here for the rest of the rent. Look at you. Both you're an entertainer. Look how I look so good. And you don't want to sleep with me. You're telling me about I am your mother. Who cares if I look like your mother? If you want to stay in my household, you shall sleep with Madam Josiah. Simple as that. Come and tell me that he don't want me. But I said that boy looks so good in the bed. I love to see him. He looks so sexy. Hey, he don't want me. Okay. Well, if he don't want me, he can't stay in my house, so that he must know.
Every single time the woman come a problem. Sure. She don't know say me don't want no old woman. Me have to just tell her say me married, you know. If keep her off of me, you know. God carry and see what she up to, you know. I'll go out with Kerry. Yeah, me just come off a stage show, you know. Yeah. Landlord just come here, man, with her bag of style. And force up herself for me. Yeah, me have to tell her I'm married. old man, Kerry. Yeah. So when you have to link me. Alright then. We'll link you later then. Same place. Yeah. Alright. You bring the money come here, man. Don't worry about that, man. Alright then. No man, me just stay here easy. I will have 5 minutes sleep. And then me come check you. Alright then, later, yeah? Alright, love you too.
Hectic boss is telling me that he don't love me because I am his mother. So what if I'm his mother? Oh? So what, mother don't need no love? Huh? He's a crazy boy. Just because he know he looks good, he's telling me he don't want me. What a quality man. Who is Petra? Mommy, I'm in the bathroom bathing. Oh, you're in the bathroom. Petra, you know I just go down to Ethic Boss for the rent. And you know what happened? He didn't want to give it to me, oh. You know that? But it's not easy. And you know what happened when I tell him I'm not leaving it? What happened, Mommy? He wanted to touch your mother. What, Mommy? I am going to call the police on him. But I'm sending you down there, oh. Go down there for the rest of rent. He said I should come back in an hour. I am not going down there. So I'm sending you, when you get ready and go down there for the rest of my money. You hear me? Okay, Mommy. Okay. Alright. Mommy, she miserable, see. God, I know, nothing go say no. I say, Mommy, me feel say, Mommy, I tell lie. And she gonna go bother the man. I mean, yo, that the boy, they nice. Mommy don't know what she do for me. You know how long me want go to meet that the youth there. Me hear about him all the time. I hear his song on radio and watch his music video. Mommy, she lucky. Me know say something Mommy up to. Me know say that the guy don't do nothing like that. Me feel so good say me they go down there, Lord God. I hope him like me. I hope me I wear it look good. So when him see me, him don't even stand up there, he just want him carry go stage show them sitting there, you know. Come never go to them place there before. My God. I can't believe I really get the opportunity to go meet that guy there. Wow, go see me. Hi. This is Petra. Go hear him. Go hear him when him say this a beauty queen, yeah. But I do everything to get that they out there. Mommy, you know what you do for me is something good. That me I tell you. Alright then. This look good. This look real good. I like how I look. I look at Alright. Alright then. I'll just put on back them something here. Everything in a put on like a cologne on my body. I'm ready to go. Alright then. Hey. Ethic boss. Ethic boss. Ethic boss. I'm not in there.
Who that?
It's me, Petra.
Petra from where? Me don't know no Petra.
I just say your daughter, man.
I was sending down here for now. The money.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Oh.
Hi, Mr. Ethic.
Hi. Your mother no easy, you know.
With what?
Your mother no just come down here, man. Close what you doing?
She sent me for say she sent me for come for the rent money because you say she for come back and she said she not come down here.
See my man, your mother no easy, you know. You didn't even know your mother going with today.
What she go on with?
Can't ever tell you. So you're most so shy. Come on, let's consider me.
You want me to come around there?
Yeah, man, come on, man, consider. Can't sit down on the bed, you know. You're most so shy. You're most so shy.
Me not shy.
But you're most shy.
Just that I can't believe some really meet you.
So you come on.
Me always hear about you on the street and me hear your song on the radio, so I did always want to meet you. I hear say you don't go mommy place, you know, but I couldn't come because I know mommy beat me.
Oh. I'm there and I'm just a come off a stage show and mash up, man. I'm tired. Your mother come down here early and come wake me up for your money.
Oh, me would not want to come on when I stage show with you, you know.
You're out, well.
Me are just 18.
Big girl, man.
You look cutie.
Thanks. Oh, the money.
Yes, sir.
Ugh.
You feel good too.
Yeah. Alright, this is for your mother.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it work. You can take this to yourself.
For myself?
Yeah, man, you can buy something for yourself, man.
Me know so mommy did us about your lie, you know?
Your mother tell me a lie, man. Your mother just want a man, you see me, but...
Me know, you see?
Ah, boy.
What mommy did do want you?
Can't tell you, I can't tell you, I don't know.
You're just
So which part her husband, eh?
She don't have no man. My father leave.
Okay,
Yeah.
I understand.
Mm. We can't put on my bag.
Yeah, man, you can put it on the dresser. Put it on the dresser, this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you eat your breakfast already?
No, sir. When you call me, just a wake up. Tired, I tell you something, I'm tired. I don't do nothing for a man. If you notice how the house stay. I'm tired.
Okay.
Somebody, if you come here, to come clean the house.
You make people come in your house?
Yeah. But your mother don't want nobody come here, you know,
So
especially if a woman a problem. You don't know she said you come down here.
Because she did mad because she said you touch her.
No, sir, nothing like that. I could never do that.
She say you touch her and me. Yeah, she said something about police, but you know say my mother head not so hot.
That's what she say, man. She get upset just to me never uphold the way she up to. You understand?
Yes.
Because she could have been my mother. You understand? So me have to have respect for my mother. So I couldn't, you know, nothing with that. But me not telling her you're cute. You're pretty, yeah? You're pretty, man.
Thank you. Everybody tell me so. But if mommy knows any man tell me so, she beat me, no?
Yeah, but the way she a behave, you can see.
Yes, so
She a
true that.
terrorist.
Me don't really talk to nobody, but me like you. Because you want to go on the stage show too, and I want people to see me. And I want to try see if me could sing.
You can sing, man. We can make you practice. When time you practice, if you're willing.
You will help me?
Me I tell you honest truth, me not think say that I go work because your mother,
Me I tell you.
I go get upset if she even know say you dey down here on my bed. A while ago she dey on my bed and me I tell her come on.
Who dey on your bed, mommy?
Your mother, yes.
Hey! I saw she out her?
Yes. So if she know say you dey down here on my bed and get them privilege, why?
She done kill
Me I tell
me.
you me have a headache, man.
What happened to your head?
I don't know if I liquor them when I drink or what, I give me a headache.
So yeah, go back to sleep.
So you ready for going?
Me don't know. Me don't really know if me ready and me don't know if me want to stay. What you want me to do?
You can't stay, you know. Oh, you can't stay. You can go and chill with me till later, man.
Okay. So you don't have nowhere to go?
Yeah, me I go up on the road later. Me I go up on another move later.
I want another stage show you have.
Yeah.
Okay.
You come over here so call lay down, man. You're ready for jump off me.
You feel good. Me like your bed soft, sir. I have a nice bed. I wear your bag. Why?
What's the bite, man?
It feels good though. Look on him like cutie.
Get some rest. You want to sleep?
Me not really want to stay here and watch you till you sleep.
Police, open the door. Police.
Police. The police.
I'm going to me from kick you out.
Mommy.
I'm say.
Go on, let's go ahead.
Oh man,
You come. Oh man, police.
I'm texting now, I'm texting you and
You come, hold on now.
You want me to kick it off?
You come.
Constable McNish, go in the car and wait for me. You don't have to come with me, okay? I'll deal with this on my own.
What go on now, officer? What me do wrong?
What do you mean? What's going on? You don't know what's going on.
Me not do nothing wrong in the officer.
This is what you do wrong.
What is
Take it up in your hand.
Officer, me not do nothing wrong.
I said to take it up in your hand.
Officer.
I will shoot you, you know.
Officer,
I
me
have
not do...
never fired a shot and hit anybody. I will hit you with it.
Officer, what me do wrong?
Shut up your mouth. This is all the things that you do wrong.
What is officer?
You know what it is. You're arguing with me. You want me to gun about you? Huh? I wanted to shoot somebody from long time and I never...
What me do, officer?
Where is Petra? Huh?
Petra? Me don't know who the name, sir, officer.
Where is Josiah's daughter? Huh?
Officer, nobody not there looking at us and I see house empty.
Yes. It feels good. It's so it feels good when you shoot somebody. I love it. I love it. Come, get up and take up the evidence. What?
Officer,
What?
you really shoot me, officer.
That's what I come to do. I get paid to shoot you. Get up. Get up off the bed. I need you to take up the evidence. When I go down to the station, that's the evidence. Huh?
Officer, what
Get
me do?
up.
What me do wrong, officer?
You don't know what to do wrong.
What me do wrong?
Get up. Get up and come out of the house. I don't want to ever see you back in this house. You can't get up. I said get up. Get up. Get up.
Officer, what me do wrong?
I said get up.
Me do nothing wrong, officer.
I don't care if you don't do anything wrong. I get paid. Huh? Get out. It feels good to bust a shot for the first time.
John no star. Check for this girl, you know. John no. Can't keep up with her, you know. Everything, you know. Just money. Yo, girl. It's clearly I can see you're not in love with me.